Welcome to the SUNIX video introduction for charging station data collection and equipment management application. We are a company specializing in the design and manufacturing of various I/O communication interface cards. We are dedicated to developing CAN bus communication protocol expansion cards to provide additional functionalities for edge PC embedded in charging stations. Through SUNIX's M.2 interface CAN FD expansion card, we enable edge PC to communicate and monitor electric vehicles and charging stations. Our expansion cards can achieve multiple functions, including communication with electric vehicles, electric vehicle charging, power monitoring and protection, and connectivity with other sensors. For backend management system integration, SUNIX also offers our S232, 422, 485 communication serial cards and DIO control interface cards to connect a wider range of devices. This allows the edge PC to simultaneously handle tasks related to display and input functions, power metering, card reading and writing, and other backend system management. Our goal is to enable edge PC without CAN bus specifications to achieve data transmission and communication control with charging stations, electric vehicles, and other devices through SUNIX's CAN bus and I/O expansion cards. SUNIX is committed to providing reliable and efficient solutions to meet the needs of the electric vehicle and charging station application market. Thank you for watching our introduction video. If you are interested in our products, please feel free to contact us. We would be happy to provide you with more information.